Hi there, please follow these simple steps to help you start budgeting. Select Start Day. Your balance overview will start from that day. Add your income name, payday and actual amount. Add the budget names, due date and budget amount. Scroll down to Transaction Tracker. Add transactions of bills, expenses, savings and debt. Remember, once you add transactions, don't change the budget names. Otherwise, the transactions will no longer be synchronized. You can change the order if you keep the same name for each budget. The following steps will guide through the bills tracker, sinking funds and debt snowball calculator. And the next step is, go to Bill Calendar tab, update calendar dates and then add your paydays and bills. Check off the bills as you pay them off. And the next step is, go to Sinking Funds tab, then add your sinking funds name, goals, monthly amount and start. Start column represents the amount you already have. Now you can add your contributions. They will automatically synchronize with Funds Overview. And the last step is, go to the Debt Snowball Calculator tab. Then add the starting date, extra payment in the beginning and extra payment monthly. In the Debts Overview section, add your debt's name, balance, interest rate and minimum payment. Balance represents the amount that you must pay. Remember to start with your easiest to pay debt first. If you're not used to this snowball concept, please also do your own research until you fully understand it. That's all you need to know to start budgeting. If any help is needed, I'm just a message away. I'll reply as soon as possible. Happy budgeting!